All right, so this is the project that I made for week 4. I was told to walk through it and comment on it. So this is a int array. Frick, I'm getting a phone call. So this is my first int array of numbers. This is the another int array of ages. This is the double array of I just called it decimal numbers. Double array 2 or 1 and then array 2. This is Boolean, so its true or false statement is hot outside. Um, it's a double money in my pocket. This is not, or money in pocket. This is not an array. And then this is a result for a method that I did um, down here, and this is where I just added the um, doubles that I wanted in that method, or that I wanted the method to use. Um, And this calculates the difference between the oldest and the youngest in ages, in the ages array. So up here. Then here's another array of ages. I named it ages 2. Result 2 for ages 2. Um, so it looks like this is finding the uh, ages 2 dot length minus 1. Yeah, this is just finding the length of it. Or no, that'd be the average. Yeah, that'd be the average. And then this is, I this was for the for loop right here. This is, I think, an enhanced for loop. Um, Here's where I printed out um, this average of ages 2, which would be this. So that would be that. Um, Moving down, got a string array of names. Um, and then I called um, or I didn't call it, but I named the integer total letters 0, use an enhanced for loop. So that found the average number of, or no, the total letters. Sorry, I was reading this. Then I have the double average letters. This just gets the average. Um, then here's another for loop. Um, if statement. Um, and then this is where I just said this is how I call elements from, or this is how I call an index or element from an array. Um, Here's another int array, name lengths. Here's a for loop. Um, and that's what that's doing. It's getting the length of the names. Um, then that's the print statement for that for loop. Um, Here's another name lengths. Um, Here's most of my print statements. Some of them I added some concatenation to make it make more sense down here. And here are all of my methods. This method repeats a word a number of times. This method will add a first and last name together using concatenation. Um, Here's a Boolean method. That will tell me if the sum is greater than 100 or not. Um, and this is the method I get. This is the method I use to get the average of the decimal numbers array. Um, this method will calculate the average of a double array. This method will use two already calculated averages and tell me if the first one is greater than the second using a Boolean statement. Um, this method will calculate whether or not it is worth it for me to buy a drink. And this is a simple array to tell me how much I would spend if my wife and I decided to buy food. I was supposed to solve a problem, and that's a problem I have all the time. So yeah, that's that.